Gold and silver both traded in a range where gold traded with a modest bearish bias, delivering lower highs and lower lows from the preceding candle, while silver failed to break past 2880, and which was the critical resistance as I have shared in our both updates, and has again closed the day at around 28 zone. So now what to expect today from gold and silver? How we can profit? What is going to be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts and indicator. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that, the subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver volatility. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, after forming lower highs, we have seen it delivering lower lows. It is trying to create a bearish channel here with lower highs, lower lows. So this is the channel in which it is trading. The highs at around 23.94.95, where the lows at around now 23.48.50 zone. If you look at the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over here on the sell side again, and this is going to be a critical resistance zone. As long as 2380 is not taken, we should not be going for a buying in gold. Yes, above 2378 and 80 is the zone where we can recommend a buy, and wait for it to break beyond 85, 86, 90 and 95. If these four levels are taken, consider that gold has reversed, else it is under retracement. See the sharp drop and under retracement here. Stochastic here, MACD here trying to converge. RSI is rising and stochastic is rising also. That is also a bullish sign here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, sharper drop and a retracement. It has given a gap up here and it is trying to retrace. Now, again, as I said, 78.80 is going to be one critical zone for gold to break past by for the day. Also, if you notice in the near term, you will find after forming the lows, it is still trading with higher lows, higher highs. And yesterday's move, if you calculate, you will find it delivering lower lows, lower highs. So we have to be still watchful. It is trying to consolidate its position, neither willing to stay bullish or bearish. MACD has dropped, trying to converge crossover. RSI and stochastic both are showing a little rise, signs of bullishness here. Coming to 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, bigger bearish candle, then diminishing body size. You can see that both the candles had bigger tails and the body size here has got smaller compared to the complete move, and that is why we can see a rise here, and now it is continuing to trade bullish. Possibility till towards 2380 levels exist, and only if it stays beyond 2380 is where slight bullishness can be seen. But then again, 2384.85 or rather 85.86 and then 2390 levels are going to play critical role again. MACD bearish, RSI rising, stochastic is also now curving upward, showing slight bullishness. On the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, you can find out resistance is observed here, and hence if you see gold staying beyond 2378.80, you can initiate a buying entry. Now what I can see here is a symmetrical formation. Look at these two candles. So possibly next candle may try to deliver lower highs, and thus the current or the next candle is going to be very, very important, because the current candle, if it remains in consolidation, the next candle might trade bullish. MACD bearish, RSI flat, stochastic looking upwards. Coming to daily chart. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. In this batch, we share all the concepts, tools, techniques, strategies and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with ease, the trends you can identify, and you can trade profitably with the rules. Do join the batch and cherish the learning for life. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the service. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It is a regulated broker, and yes, it offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, so you can pay lesser fees to your broker and enjoy the profits. Do join the broker now. Now coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, preceding candle could be the reversal sign. We can see lower highs, lower lows, and you can say now count the move from here to here. You will find $42 is the complete move here. Now the median is at 23.76, and that is why I say let it break past 23.78 and 80. Once it breaks past the median and specifically a slightly higher levels above 23.78 and 80, you can say now gold is turning bullish, and we can look forward to 23.85, 86, 90 and 95 only and only if gold breaks beyond 23.90-95 zone. You can say it is reversed, else achieving the double top levels, achieving lower highs somewhere in this zone, it can reverse completely. Be watchful of this. But whether it is going to move towards these levels or not, that will be decided if it breaks beyond 23.78 and 8. And once it breaks past the highs here, and once it breaks past this zone, you can say now gold is turning bullish. We can look forward to 2406, 2410 and higher levels as well. Now on the downside, you should look at, I have always shared, now the 20 period moving average is climbing. What we were discussing till now is the divergence of the price from the moving average. What price is doing, it is trying to come down. What moving averages are doing, it is trying to climb up, and it will fall within this zone between 23.20, 23.40, and then the prices might try to achieve this. So this is what we can look forward, and this is going to happen very soon, if not today, possibly some point of time in the near future, maybe tomorrow or next week, early next week. Now today, if you see it is staying below 23.65, you can take a sell entry. 65.64 is a very good support. We can look forward to 23.54, 55 levels, the next target, and below that is where we can look forward to a stronger drop towards 23.47, 23.40 and 23.30 levels. Possibility is there that if it breaks, it is going to be a stronger break. When the candle turns red, it is going to be a deeper red candle, taking it till towards this zone. Thus you can, and see the day has just started, there could be swings, thus you should be cautious of the swings here. Buying entry at 23.78, 80 can be taken, and be alert as long as the highs of the last 3 days are not breached. You should be cautious. Beyond that, gold is to be treated bullish. On the downside, selling entry at 23.64, 65, and below that is where the bears will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, higher lows, lower highs, consolidation going on. What we have discussed yesterday is again proving out to be true, forming higher lows here at 28.20 zone. It is now trying to reverse. Again, 28.20 is the level below which you can say slight bearishness, but you have to be cautious as long as $28 levels is not taken. Moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, sign of bearishness. If it stays beyond 28.50, you can initiate a buying entry here. See again 28.60, 28.80. This is going to be again first resistance zone for today. If it trades about 28.50 levels, you can initiate a buying entry, but then you have to be very cautious for 28.60, 28.80 zone for today. Achieving lower highs, silver can reverse. Achieving lower highs, silver can reverse. Thus you should be cautious here. MACD trying to converge and rise. A crossover here can lead to little bullishness. RSI and stochastic both are rising, looking bullish. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here. After lower highs, lower lows, and after lower highs, possibly lower lows. So staying in this bullish zone. Let's see if it breaks beyond 28.80. That will be the confirmation of the rise. And yes, you can buy here at 28.50 levels, expecting it to move towards 28.60, 28.80 zone, which is definitely going to remain a greater resistance zone. MACD trying to converge crossover for buys. RSI and stochastic both are rising, showing signs of bullishness. Coming to 3-hour. Look at 3-hour charts here. You can say taking support from the 50 period moving average, and silver again trying to give a breakout. See, double bottom is seen in the preceding candle, and that is where we can see a rise in this candle. We have to wait for the next candle. If the next candle stays above 23.50, you can stay bullish. But then, as I say, be alert on the upside. MACD trying to converge. RSI and stochastic both are trying to rise from a lower levels. And on the 4-hour, here also consolidation. See, look at the candles here on the downside. A stronger support is observed here, and this zone becomes critical for the day on the downside between 28 and 28.20. Any drop below this will be treated as a breakout, and a crash will be seen there. Else, after forming double bottom, it can try to deliver at least lower highs. MACD trying to converge. RSI is stochastic almost. RSI is trying to stay flat while stochastic rising. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, see the preceding three candles, higher lows are observed till now. And thus it is very important if at any point of time today, if silver is seen trading below $28 levels, 27.80 levels, consider that a sharper crash will be seen taking it till towards 27.60, 27.20 zone. See, right now the prices of silver are trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average. Where is the 20 period moving average? It is sitting at around 27.20 levels. Now, if you see silver dropping below $28 levels, 27.80 levels, these two levels are going to play critical role. Any drop below 27.80 is definitely going to bring strong bearish momentum towards 27.60, 27.20 zone. But right now on the daily charts, we can see higher lows, and see preceding candle comes with a bigger wick and giving it a support, so it can try to retrace a little. How far? Lower highs means 28.60, 28.40, 28.60, 28.80 zone it may try to achieve, and from those levels also prices might try to reverse. So one possibility for it to consolidate, second possibility is for it to break. Let's see which direction it takes. The divergence of price from the moving average calls for it to converge, which means a drop. Look at MACD, rise retracement, rise, and see it is converged. This crossover can lead to a bearish momentum for the near term. Be watchful. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, and the stochastic has also dropped. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 28.50, but we have to remain extremely cautious, alert, because 28.60, 28.80, this is the zone where we are going to get maximum resistance for silver here. Any move beyond 28.80 is where slight bullishness towards 29, and if it trades above 29 is where the bulls will take over completely. On the downside, a selling entry at 28.20. Be alert for $28 levels. This complete zone between 28 and 28.20 is critical. Below 28 is where slight bearishness toward 27.80, and below 27.80 is where bears will take over completely towards 27.50, 27.20 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Do like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel and watch the next update before the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.